To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline to add the flashing color effect to. Let's begin by going over to the Effects panel. Type Color Balance into the search box. Drag the one with the HLS onto your clip. Make sure your clip is selected and then go up to Effect Controls. Position the time head at the start of your clip. Go down to the Color Balance effect and click the stopwatch next to Hue to create a starting keyframe. Move the time head to where you want the flashing color effect to end. Click and drag the hue value to the right to increase its value. This will automatically create your second keyframe. Alright, and there we have our flashing color effect. If you want the flashing colors to go faster, start by using one of the arrows on the hue property to reposition the time head on the second keyframe. Now just increase the hue's value for your second keyframe to speed up the flashing colors. You can also slow down the flashing colors by simply decreasing the value for your second keyframe. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.